Okay, so we're here today with Boris Hayek from Losstech, CEO or whatever you call it in German, Geschäftsführer of Losstech, a GreenBytes partner and one of the guys who has, with his company, invented a concept for private cloud. And well, very welcome, Boris. I hope you're able to show us some of your features and some of the products your company promotes. Is that possible?
Yeah, that's possible. Thanks.
Okay, great.
Nice that we're meeting here. Now that's our solution. What we are presenting at the CeBIT. We have here a GreenBytes 2000. We have 10 gigabit. We are using NFS nice SCSI storage, and we have a data core solution where we have HAE implemented. That all is running as a backend for the Xen server farm, Citrix Xen server, which is hosting VDIs and the servers for the infrastructure as well as the applications.
Yeah.
So what it's doing, it is delivering first of all the Active Directory, and we have about 20 servers here running on top of that. And at the moment about 150 machines, Windows 7.
Okay.
Served from the GreenBytes 2000.
Okay.
We are at the moment provisioning machines, about 500, hopefully today.
That's impressive.
Over the next days, I hope that we are getting to 1,000 or whatever. So we are running this all the time here, and at the Friday evening we are hoping that we have a very big number that we can distribute.
Okay, sounds great.
So we can go over here. What we are doing here is we have here a real Windows 7. I can do it here. This is a Windows 7 which is coming from the private cloud, from the Excel, from the GreenBytes, and we have what you see here, the possibility to display videos. So what are we here? Let's say we have here a fighter pilot which is run on this little machine here, because it's streamed from the server. This is a high definition video over 1 gigabit network interface.
That's nice.
So we can deliver that, and even we can do that in full screen.
Okay.
So that's a nice feature. That's a lot of performance, which we get from the storage subsystems, from the Citrix architecture.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you can tell about the things you're doing here?
Yeah, the cloud stuff. What we are doing here is we are not only able to deliver the VDIs, the Windows 7 itself. What we can do, we get from the cloud the applications we need. So we have a cloud store here, which you can see, and here I have my applications, which I already have checked out, and I have nothing at the moment. So what we can prove that in the start menu, there are no programs here, just the standard programs. Now, let's say you need an Adobe Acrobat to read some PDF. You go into your store and you see on the store service, where is it? We have here at the moment, we have Opera, we have Firefox, and we have Chrome published on this machine. So we have to go to another machine, but we can do it with that. And you see, we have here added machines. And if I do not want it any longer, I can say remove this application from my desktop. Oh yeah, I have to do it that way here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just authentication. This is demo. Capsule. Demo. Okay. So, what you see, we have now removed this app from this computer. And we can now resync it. And you see, we have a lot of applications here we can add, and we're doing that as an end user. Not as an administrator. And we do it from home via the cloud. We do it from small subsidiaries, or even in the main headquarter office. And if someone's coming up and saying, okay, Adobe Reader was missing, can you give it to me, can you install it to me? It's no longer needed. You go just in and say, okay, I need it, I add it. Now it's adding this application.
Okay.
I click on my applications, I see Adobe Reader is checked out, like in the library.
Yeah.
And now it should be here in my start menu. Let me see it here. And yes, Adobe Reader is there and I can use it now.
Okay, that's good.
If I do not want it any longer, it's just go there, it's just go there. And I say remove. So it's gone again, check back to the library, and it's vanished from my PC. There are no traces. It's like a portable app.
Okay, so the question is, what kind of advantages do you see for users in this kind of environments? Oh.
It's very, very easy of use, you know. You can just use what you need at that moment. You don't have to wait for any administrator to turn up or any technician to show up. Yeah?
So it means you get a more flexible IT in your environment?
That's a big point, yes.
Okay.
It's very, very... in terms of costs, you are very cost saving with this technology, because you can downsize your administrators team and you can improve the user
experience. Okay.
Experience, yes, that's right.
Okay, so those are some of the advantages that a lot of people are seeing at this moment.
That's right.
Is there also a cost side of point?
Yes, a very big one, because you just need these small devices to show that all. You're saving a lot of power, you're saving a lot of investment costs in the first step. Everything is running on the data centers, right? So no data is leaving your company. It's all secure.
Okay.
This data stays at your side, and you can manage that central in a single point.
Okay. And what kind of advantages does the GreenByte offer you in this kind?
GreenBytes is very fast storage, very easy to implement storage. So you can in a very rapid way integrate some architectures with it, and the deduplication capabilities of the GreenBytes are tremendous for the Windows 7 thing we're doing here, because it's everything the same Windows 7, and we can dedupe it at a factor. I think at the moment we have here showing that we are using 8.2 terabytes for Windows 7 in the real world, but on the GreenBytes we have only 40 gigabytes of real storage what we are using, and that's cost savings.
That's impressive, to be honest. Okay, well, time to leave here. Bo, thank you very much for your patience.
You're welcome.
Hope to talk to you soon, and I wish you all the good luck at this event. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.